In today's world, accessible content isn't optional, it's essential. Accessibility means ensuring that everyone, regardless of ability, can fully engage with your content. For businesses, educators, and creators, it's not just about compliance, it's about inclusivity, enhancing user experience, and reaching a wide audience while promoting the value and support your content provides to all. Visme offers a collection of tools that empower you to make your content inclusive for everyone. You can find Visme's tools for accessibility in the hamburger dropdown on the upper left-hand side of the editor. Visme's Accessibility Checker analyzes your design to flag potential barriers, giving you actionable fixes that will go away once your issues are addressed. Closed captioning provides captions to your videos and presentations so audiences with hearing impairments never miss a word. And Visme's alt text easily adds descriptions to images, ensuring screen readers can convey the full meaning of your visuals to those that have a harder time seeing them in your content. Imagine you're sending a proposal to a prospective client who uses a screen reader. Without alt text, key visuals might get lost, weakening your pitch. Or consider that you're sharing an informative presentation with a global audience, where closed captions for any audio can ensure clarity regardless of background noise or language barriers. These small details not only make your content inclusive, but also show that you value your audience and their needs. When your content is accessible, you boost engagement by accommodating diverse audiences, foster inclusivity and show your commitment to ethical design, increase compliance with accessibility standards, and support a wider audience. Accessible content makes your content materials more effective. So whether you're creating for your team, learners, prospects, or customers, Visme's accessibility tools make it easy to ensure your content works for everyone. Ready to try? Head on in and start creating accessible materials in Visme today to create a lasting impact through your content.